Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Economic growth is a major topic in macroeconomics that we can master quickly. Let's find out how the ADAS model shows long-run expansion right now.
Long-run economic growth represents an increase in the total productive capacity of an entire economy over time. This means the nation can produce more goods and services than it could before.
In the ADAS model, this expansion is represented by the vertical long-run aggregate supply curve. When our potential output grows, we must move that vertical line to show the new capacity.
Consequently, long-run growth is shown by a rightward shift in the long-run aggregate supply curve. This movement illustrates increased economic potential and sustainable output levels.
Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush, trust the given definitions, and check steps.